Duol mochung'ne kedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC koro ochwalo nyinge gavanas adek matiyo sani gachiel machon ne apisi mar jomin buche ODPP ka itudogi kod mibadhi kamoting'o kwalo omenda jopiny. EACC bende olero ni gidhi nyime gi timo nonro ewi gavanas mamoko 5 masani ni apisi kaachiel gi 11 machon. Lero ni pod ok gichako nono mibadhi maliekore ni reyo moko kuom jood bura.
Over the last 8 months, as you are aware, I'm in office for about 8 months, the Commission has completed 89 high-profile cases and submitted these cases to the Director of Public Prosecution for action. Notably, 4 of these cases involve current and former county governors. This also involves 2 cabinet secretaries, former cabinet secretaries, that is, principal secretary, CEOs, and MDs of various state corporations. In addition, the Commission is at advanced stage of investigating the following. 1, 5 sitting governors. 2, 11 former governors.